So here I am going to implement P8 experiment, which is GloVe from scratch. P8 implements GloVe with the distance weighted concurrence matrices, that is context words closely to target contribute more weighted by 1 over distance, and minimize the weighted split square objectives using add, which adapts the landing rate per parameter. From this I have derived a white plot graph. This is the weighting function of x and f of x. It rises considerably up to x max is equal to 100 and then flattens at one matching to shape I have derived in the problem N10. The loss curves are derived as follows. Here in the video I trained embeddings at dimensions 100 and 300 both converges smoothly over 15 exports. K equal to 300 reaches a lower final loss 0.22 varies and 0.66 for k equal to 100 since higher dimensionally gives more capacity to fit the objective. I will show within the output, that is here in the output, as you can see, the training of k equal to 100 within the 15 exports, the average loss is gradually decreasing, indicating that the same point the error flattens, and the same with the training k equal to 300, the error gradually decreases and flattens over some point. And so next, within this experiment I have studied alpha from 0. Here it's showing 0.25 to 1.0 at alpha is equal to 0.75. The standard choice and alpha equal to 1.0. Here it is. So gave the most topical coherent neighbors, balancing between overweighting frequent base and overwaning noisy railways. I have done this program to compare the emitting choices of Vi, that is the context vector, and the word, that is the Ui. So here when I considered only Vi, the neighbors of King of Alexander Philip appointed and current, Alexander and Philip are current, but they is appointed current are somewhat wrong. And when I consider only Ui, the king has neighbors of Achillica, Bella, perhaps Newton, company. These are not accurate. But when I combine the both, that is the target word and the word vector Vi plus Ui, the king neighbors are Philip, Cotton, Mark, Donald, Alexander, Stephen. So these gave the accurate results much tighter than either vector alone, confirming the original GloVe paper's recommendation. So to conclude this video, I say that this completes the 4 measures: embedding architectures, SVD, SIBA, SGNS and GLO evaluated together in P9.